Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you crafty kitties are doing well. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this amazing BeeBeeCraft unboxing. So I am super excited, and I will be putting the information in the information box below about how to get started with doing videos for them. If you have 100 or more subscribers, you qualify, and you just have to fill out an online form, and it's real basic and real simple. Definitely want to give that a shot. I will, like I said, put a link in the information box below with the information that you will need to get you right to their website. Also, I will be linking the products that I am unboxing. Anyway, let's take a look. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. What do I see? First thing I see here are these amazing, like, hot pink beads. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I love these. I saw them on the website and I thought I have got to have these. They're just so pretty. They're glass beads. They have a little like grommet in the middle, like a silver one, but they are just so pretty. I love it. So pretty. So I'm probably going to be making some dangles, like book dangles or charms, something like that. And I will be making 2 more videos showing what it is that I'm making with all this fun stuff. So be sure and stay tuned for that. So let's look at these bags, because I know that you're seeing this really iridescent, shiny, glorious look here, and what these are just fabulous, like little Ziploc bags, but they come in 3 different sizes, and I so love this. Oh my goodness. And the reason I love these so much is because these, for example, are great for putting in like a mix, like a sequin mix. I think probably a nice tablespoon or 2 maybe will fit in here. And it's clear in the front, and the back is the silver, like holographic, iridescent. So I have been excited as can be for these, for sharing some sequins. Either, you know, maybe I'll sell a few packages of this on Etsy, or, you know, with glitter, or, you know, with like a sequin mix in there, or for Happy Mail, what have you. So just super fun there. And then these are a little bit bigger, which are really nice just about for anything, but I could see me using this for packaging, like some fun die cuts to give away to friends, again in Happy Mail, or even for packaging things that I sell on my Etsy. So definitely loving that. And I think there's like 120 of them, so you do get a lot for your money. I don't remember what the actual price on that was. I want to say it was around $9, but like I said, you get so many that it's just crazy. And then these are the larger ones, which again, I can see putting like maybe some larger ephemera, or maybe even some like embellishments. I'm gonna get an embellishment fit and see how it will look. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh yes, look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I haven't even shown you this embellishments. I will be making a video on that soon. But did you see how gorgeous these bags go with these? So again, fabulous for packaging Happy Mail, or if you have an Etsy shop or some kind of a shop and you sell your handmade goods, these are just beautiful for packaging your stuff. So, and I love, as you guys, a lot of you know, I do love my packaging, and this definitely takes it up to the next level. So I'm really excited about these bags, and like I said, in the next couple of videos I will show you how I use them. So some mixes that I can put in the little bitty ones, little bags. It comes with 2 boxes of this, and again, I think both boxes together, I think it was like $9. I didn't have to pay for that because I have I participate in the co-op, and so they let you choose like close to $40 worth of merchandise in exchange for you doing the 3 videos. And so, but if you had to buy them, I think it's still a really good buy for that price, because look at how precious. And then it's got 2 of each color, so you got it's kind of like a purple and yellow, and these are hearts, and then this is like a lime green and a hot pink, and then like a light pink and a turquoise blue. And so you've got, and these have like, they're like little hollow hearts. So that I'm definitely going to want to mix those with some of the sequins I have, and it's just going to be, it's going to make some pretty mixes. I am so excited. And then you got these in green, kind of the more primary colors, I guess. The silver, the red, some hot pink again, but these are stars. And so, and then these are gold and the blue. So you got the more basic colors, but like I said, these are stars. So these are little hollow hearts, and then these are stars, like tiny little stars. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It's going to be so fun to work with that and get some mixes together. So that'll be fun for next time, for next video on the continuation of the BeeBeeCraft. I love that it's got all these findings. It's got some jump rings and some lobster clasps, so I love that. And because I have, you know, with these beads, I want to make some charms and some possibly dangles, like book dangles or tag dangles, project dangles. And so to do that, I think these are going to be really fun to work with. Last time I got like the pastel, and those were amazing. I've been able to use that even as embellishments. These are more of like a clear acrylic, and they just remind me of those little Jolly Rancher candies. I don't know if you can see that really well, but they are so pretty. They have these beautiful, just pretty colors, bright colors, and you know, they have beads of different sizes and shapes, and you know, like, see, this one is like a little leaf, little leaves like that, and they're not glass, but they look like they're really pretty and clear and shiny. Oh, look at these kisses. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know that I love that. I always put some kisses at the end of my videos, so you know I love that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty, even for maybe Valentine's, you know. Oh, that's so cute. Love that. I did not notice that before when I was looking up the stuff here. And then and see, they already have like a little loop on them, so they're easier for making charms. And then these are like little music notes. Isn't that pretty? I love that. That is so nice, you guys. Look. And let's see. So yeah, you got these little tiny, and then you got these kind of like medium. So there's like a few sizes within here. I think maybe this one, I don't know if it goes in there or not, but anyway, they look like little, kind of like little diamonds, you know, but they do have the hole through the middle, you know, so it's a bead. And then you got these like little balls that are like faceted. See, they're like faceted. So that's, I hope the camera, you're able to see it in the camera. And then these are like little cubes. Isn't that pretty? These little clear cubes. How pretty. And then these are a little bit bigger little balls that are kind of like just faceted. So they look like crystal almost. So pretty. Let's see, what are these? And these are like little stars. These are a little bit bigger too, so I like that. Bigger stars. And is this the number? It looks like the number 8. Or the infinity sign, maybe. I don't know. I guess whatever you like. But yeah, it looks like the number 8. And then these are like little lucky charms. Like clover leaves. Let's see, one in, I think there's one in green in here. There's a couple of them in green. Little clover leaves. And yeah, I guess it's a little hard to see in my hand. I don't know if it's easier to see. I think it might be easier to see on this white, you know, piece of paper background. Yeah, I think that shows better. These are like, I don't even know what kind of little flowers, but they look like they're like little flowers. I'm just trying to show you the few different colors. Look at the pink. It's such a delicate pink. I just love, 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 love that. Very pretty. And then these are like little purses. Oh my gosh. They're like little Jolly Ranchers. They're so stinking cute. Okay. It's the kisses again. The little lips. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love that. Love, 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 love that. Okay. Again, I hope you can see it well. And yeah, so all these other ones, they're just, these are like butterflies, and these are like little flowers, and these are a little bit different shape. They're not ball, they're more like little spheres or something. They're a little flatter on one side. And then these look like little diamonds right here. These are like little bitty diamonds. Those are so cute. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be good for making charms, book dangles, that kind of thing. And I'm excited to get to working with some of that. Quality looks really nice. I'm very pleased with it. Again, I will be putting their information in the information box below. Anyway, we'll see what I come up with. So thank you guys for checking this video out. Be sure and give me a thumbs up if you like it, and hit the subscribe button if you would like to subscribe. Also press the notification bell so that you will know when I have a new video for you. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.